A trial about the right to rescue began today in the North Bay. Two animal activists are being prosecuted after taking several ducks and chickens from two farms in Petaluma. And Makovec joins us now with a look at what they did and why they say they were well within their rights. Ann.
Yeah, Ryan, obviously these birds were being raised to be eventually killed, but the activists say the birds were being neglected and injured before slaughter, and that it was their right and responsibility to try to get them help. They released this video they took during their unauthorized visits to Sunrise Egg Farm and Reichart Duck Farm. They retrieved about 70 birds, including some they're in shackles waiting for slaughter, and gave them veterinary care. They edited out the most graphic and bloody material because it is disturbing to watch. The defendants themselves are barred from speaking to the media, but I spoke with another member of their group who took a plea deal.
When we are doing these rescues, we are specifically looking for sick and injured animals, animals who do not have commercial value to the industry, animals who would most likely just die at that farm, maybe end up rotting on the bottom of a cage or on a wire floor. This is going to be a jury trial, so ordinary Sonoma County citizens are going to be able to weigh in on whether they think rescuing animals is a crime or the right thing to do.
Well, today, one of the three activists had her charges dismissed. The remaining two will be using what's called a necessity defense, which protects citizens when they act to prevent significant bodily harm to someone who is facing an emergency. So the question is, can chickens and ducks qualify as someone? I reached out to both farms in this case, Sunrise and Reichart. No response. The Sonoma County District Attorney's Office also declined to comment. And this is one of a series of high-profile right-to-rescue trials within the past year. One in Utah and one in Merced both ended with the defendants being acquitted.